I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be making potatoes. So here you just see me cutting the potatoes up into small pieces. I'm using 2 potatoes. Okay, once I'm done, I'm just gonna start seasoning the potatoes. Okay, as you can see, I'm showing you guys what seasonings I'm using. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so once I'm done seasoning, I'm just going to put them in the oil and let them cook. And then I'm going to take them out and show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks.